Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. Thank you members for supporting the channel. In this video, we'll calculate slope of a line segment. As per the problem, calculate the slope of line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 7, 6. We can calculate the slope of this line segment using the slope formula. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this formula, x1, x2, y1 and y2 are the coordinates of 2 points on the line segment. We are given the points 2, 3 and 7, 6. We can label one of these points as x1, y1 and the other point as x2, y2. We can label either one of these points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. The answer will be the same. Next, we should sub in these values in the slope formula. y2 is equal to 6, y1 is 3, x2 is 7, x1 is 2. In the numerator, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. In the denominator, 7 minus 2 equals 5. We cannot reduce this fraction, so this should be the final answer for the slope of the line segment. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to find the slope of a line segment with two given points. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.